Okay, let's go ahead and do the quiz right quick.
Okay. You want me to read it?
You can read it and then you tell me which one is correct.
An insurer who is not licensed to conduct business in a particular state is said to be A, private, B, non-admitted, C, alien, D, self-insured. Um, hmm, who's not licensed to conduct business in a particular state? That would be non-admitted.
I believe that's correct. So non-admitted. Because you don't have a license, you will
In
be
that state.
non-admitted. Okay,
Okay.
go to the second question.
Number 2, the phrase insurance transaction includes all of the following except soliciting a sale, B, negotiating a contract, C, advising an individual on coverage or claims, D, obtaining an insurance license. I believe it's D.
So this one you say was B, correct?
Yes.
And this one you say is this one? Which one?
D as in dog.
C as in dog. Let me see.
No, D as in dog.
Oh, D as in dog. This one?
Yes.
Insurance and action with all the following except. Yep, that's correct. And now when you see something like that, they can say instead of put the phrase insurance transaction, they can say all of the following require license except. Okay.
Mhm.
I was trying to see if I find the answer for this one. So who's not licensed conduct business in a particular state is said to be. Okay. Let's go to number 3.
Okay. Number 3. The Office of Insurance Regulation has how many days to review new forms and policies in Florida? 10 days, 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, B, 30 days.
Correct. Absolutely. Okay. So get that. So we can go to 4 now.
Okay. Which of the following types of insurers is considered a charitable organization and sells insurance only to its members? A, alien, B, reciprocal, C, fraternal, D, service, C, fraternal.
Correct. It's only to its members. That's the key. Its members. Number 5.
5, which of the following types of insurers issues participating policies? A, stock, B, mutual, C, reinsures, D, fraternal. Uh, B, mutual.
Correct. Why?
Because it would be to all participating policies, so it means more than one.
So that's mean you have to buy a policy. You have to participate.
Right.
So we have to have some mutual interests. So
Right.
who owned the mutual company?
Uh, the policy holder.
Yes, the policy owner, they own it. And the opposite of mutual is the stockholder owned by the stockholders. So
Mhm.
both of them issue policies. This one issue non-participating, this one issue participating policies. Okay, so let's go to the next one.
The monetary fine for violating a cease and desist order is 40,000, 45,000, 50,000, 55,000, C, 50,000.
Good, so when you see the numbers, it make more sense, isn't it? No confusion. Good deal. All right. 7.
A reinsurance contract that involves an automatic sharing of risk is A, a treaty, A, a facultative, C, reciprocal, D, speculative. C, reciprocal.
Now, in this one, actually, I don't know why. They say it's A. I don't know. I don't know why it's A. They say it's A. A treaty. I never read that anywhere.
Me neither.
I don't know. I don't know if it is correct neither. So, but it says A.
Treaty. Okay.
Yeah.
Automatic sharing of risk is a treaty.
Reciprocal is when you allow people in that state to come get licensed, so they get a non-resident in this state. That's reciprocity. Then I let your people get in my state. And if you see speculative, is a possible chance of winning or losing. People who's playing the lotteries, they're doing speculative. So this the answer is A for that one. All right. Okay, so is the next question?
Which of the following supervises the licensing of agents and insurers? A, Officer of Insurance Regulation, B, Office of Financial Regulation, C, the Attorney General, D, State Guarantee Association, A, Office of Insurance Regulation.
Correct. A is correct. That's licensing in with paper. Number 2, go ahead.
Okay. How many hours of an update course in the license field must be included in every Florida agent's continuing education course? A2, B4, C5, D12, B4.
Good. It is 4. It used to be 5, but it is 4. All right.
Okay.
This is the correction have to be making in the book, but they put C is the correct answer, but that was the old thing. Now is the new thing is 4.
Okay.
Glad you get that. Next.
Okay, number 3, a person is required to be licensed to do which of the following? A, receive commissions, B, create insurance advertisements, C, perform executive duties for the insurer, D, complete administrative duties, A, receive commissions.
Correct. A is correct. Because if you receive commission anytime, you need a license. Good. 4.
Okay, 4. What must be filed with the Department of Insurance in order for an agent to transact business for an insurer? A, certificate of authority, B, license, C, appointment, D, license application. C, appointment.
Good. Can I hold more than one appointment?
No, I don't know.
Yes. Yes. I can hold more than one appointment. An appointment is the authorization they're giving you to represent the company. Every time you see an appointment, see it like, okay, I work for this company, they authorize me to do business on their behalf. So if I work for 5 companies, I need 5 appointments. If I work for 3, if they give me 3 examples, I work for company A, B, and C, I need 3 appointments. They might say, how many appointments do you need? 1 for each. So you need an appointment for each company, and you can have more than 1 appointment. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. 5.
5, an agent must report a change of address to the department within A, 15 days, B, 30 days, C, 45 days, D, 90 days, B, 30 days.
Good. Number 6, 30 days was correct.
If an insurer terminates an agent's appointment, notice must be given to the department within A, 14 days, B, 30 days, C, 60 days, D, 2 years. 30 days?
This one a bit different. So if they're going to terminate you as an agent, they have to notify you at least 60 days.
60 days.
Oh, wait, no. Which one did you say? You said 60 or did you say 30 days?
I said 30.
No, I mean 30 days.
Okay, so it's
Yeah,
30 days.
correct.
Okay.
They have to, now, except they don't have to, wait, this one, if the insurer terminates your agent appointments, or to the department, once to the department, 30
Mhm.
days. But the 60 days will be, they have to tell you you're gonna get terminated in 60 days. But if it's to the department, 30 days. But the agent, they have to be notified in 60 days.
Okay. So to notify the department is 60 days or
No, the
30
department,
days
30 days after you terminate.
after the termination? Okay.
Correct. So if it is, they were saying, let's say they didn't say to the department here, they say the agent, then that would be
Mhm.
correct. Because they say that,
Oh, okay.
because they say now is the department, 30 days. That's after the termination, not before. That's after you got terminated. They have to let them know 30 days that you're no longer working for them.
30 days. Okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
So B was correct. Next.
Okay. The head of the Department of Financial Services is the Chief Executive Officer, the Chief Financial Officer, the Governor, the Attorney General. That would be the Chief uh, Chief Financial Officer.
Which letter is that? B?
B. Yes.
That is correct.
Okay.
It's not the governor. The governor is in there as well. It's gonna be in that office, but the person really that on charge of this Department of Financial Services, correct, is that, and is a pretty powerful person. Okay. All right. So that's good. We're gonna do some more question. Let's go.
Okay. The mixing of premiums belonging to the insured or the insured with the producer's personal funds not related to business is called commingling.
Correct. So B is correct. No commingle. You cannot mix them. Sometimes they require you to have a separate account just to deposit the money so you don't mix it with your own fund. Number two.
Number two, agents must maintain records of all transactions pertaining to premium payments for A, 1 year, B, 3 years, C, 5 years, D, 7 years, 3 years.
Correct. When do we pick the 5 years?
When it's a senior,
When it's the seniors. And we have to keep rebating information for how long?
5 years.
Good. Good. I liked it. Go ahead. 3.
When may two agents share commissions? A, if one is licensed and the other helped with the sale. B, if both work in the same office. C, if both are licensed and appointed. D, if both represent the same insurer. C, if both are licensed and appointed.
That was, let me see. We're on quiz 3. And you say then say C.
Correct.
Correct. All right, C is correct. Go ahead. Number 4.
Okay. The organization designed to protect the policy owner of an insolvent life insurance company is the A, Florida Life and Health Guarantee Association, B, Florida Insurance Guarantee Fund, C, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, D, Office of Financial Regulations. A, Florida Life and Health Guarantee Association.
Good. Is that a profit organization?
Nonprofit.
Non-profit. So how do they make money?
It's funded by all the participants, so the agent.
Actually, is the insurer, the otherwise insurers.
Insured.
Insurers is there to protect against insolvent, this keyword, insolvent protection. Anybody who's entitled to it. Okay? Because in the exam, if they put how do they get funded, they may not put this question, they might put how do they make money, by the insurers. Or if they put authorized insurer, same thing. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Good. All right, so let's go to, so this was A. It's 5.
The State Guarantee Association is funded by Department of Insurance, B, assessment of its members, C, federal governments, D, penalties and fines. B, assessment of its members.
I love it. Wow, they hear us, they give it to you. Okay, number 6.
Okay. Replacing policies within the same company in order to generate commission is a prohibited practice known as A, twisting, B, churning, C, sliding, D, rebating. B, churning.
Whoa, 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 that is correct. 7.
7, controlled business cannot exceed what percentage of the aggregate commissions and comprehension? A, 10%, B, 20%, C, 30%, D, 50%. A, 10%,
Nope.
50%. Okay.
In 12 months. That's meaning a year.
Okay.
So you cannot exceed that in
50 in controlled business. Okay.
So if you're selling a policy to your sister, it's an example of a controlled business. If you're selling to just a group of people in your company, that's called controlled business. If you get your license just to do business in a group of people at your church or organization, it's mean controlled business, and it cannot exceed 50% in 12 months. Make sure you know that.
Okay.
You're doing very good. Very good. Very good. We're gonna do one more quiz. There you go.
Number 1, any inducement offered in the sale of insurance products that is not specified in the policy is called A, defamation, B, misrepresentation, C, rebating, D, twisting. That would be B, misrepresentation. No, wait. That's not specified inducement, it's not specified. Oh, C, rebating.
Okay, number 2.
2, representing to an applicant that a specific ancillary coverage or
Ancillary,
product, ancillary coverage or product is required by law when it is not, is called A, churning, B, twisting, C, unfair discrimination, D, sliding. That would be D, sliding.
Yes, so when you have questions like that, folks need to know this is for the purpose of making commission. It didn't say anything about that, so that's not correct. It didn't say he's replacing the policy and it's not in the best interest of the client with another company, so it's not that. It didn't say he was trying to discriminate, so therefore all those things doesn't make any sense. Then I don't know what that is, but unfortunately I will pick that because I know what those other 3 is.
Right.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead. Number 3.
Failure to answer a subpoena or order of the CFO may result in a fine of 1,000, 2,500, 5,000, 10,000. This one was 1,000.
Correct. It is 1,000. Got it?
Yes.
Subpoenas, if you don't respect that, they're gonna fine you $1,000 fine.
Okay.
Number 4.
Number 4, the intentional withholding of a material fact that is important in making an underwriting decision is called A, fraud, B, sliding, C, concealment, D, coercion. C, concealment.
Correct. It is concealment. You're withholding information is mean concealment. You intentionally withhold it. 5.
A producer that replaces policies within the same company in order to produce commission is an unfair marketing practice called A, twisting, B, rebating, C, churning, D, sliding. A, twisting.
That's number 5.
Yes.
Replacing policies, same company for the
Oh, that would be churning.
See, make sure you be careful.
Okay.
So if you see policy replacing same company, so
Same
if it was
company.
another company and with not purpose of the commission, so the keyword with
Okay.
churning, every time you say for the person for just to produce commission,
Mhm.
it's churning for sure. Okay, number 6.
Producers guilty of twisting or churning could face an administrative fine for each non-willful violation of $500, $1,000, $3,500, $5,000, $5,000.
Yes, $5,000. $5,000.
These fines aren't cheap.
Oh, that's when they say be careful not to do those stuff. Number 7.
Okay. Costless dealership will not offer car loans to buyers unless they buy credit insurance from Costless Financial Division. Costless dealership is guilty of A, boycott, B, coercion, C, discrimination, D, rebating, B, coercion.
Yep, you are correct. Okay, so now you see like enough question
Mhm.
to nail this one down, because this is, you can't pass the exam without passing this chapter, right? Okay, you gotta be able to do
Correct.
that. You gotta be able to do that. So this one, you really, when I look at your thing, you need more help here. Okay,